Okay, so what we're going to do here is a shoulder and arm massage. First of all, we're going to spread our lotion. Very often we'll do the shoulder alongside the upper back and the chest. So we're going to start with an effleurage, full effleurage, just by a bit of traction through the arm and sliding down towards the shoulder and then back up towards the wrist. Watching your posture, so away from the back foot onto the front foot there. I'm going to separate the arm into segments, so I'm just going to bring the arm and place it against the inside of my waist. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to rock and roll forwards and backwards while I'm kneading with the senior eminence of my hand. My shoulders are relaxed, my back is straight. So we can work all the way around the tissue and the triceps. Support the elbow, support the wrist, take the weight and put it on the outside of our waist. Again, using the senior eminence, we're working the tissue, kneading it up towards the shoulder. We can take it out into different ranges, for different stretches, and get different effects. Support the elbow and the wrist. I'm just going to do the deltoids now. Just seated, my anchor leg is placed on the floor, and that's going to give me my purchase in order to work into the deltoids. So I'm still rocking and rolling through my back leg, so it's not happening through my upper body. I'm rocking, I'm getting the momentum through my back leg, and again we're kneading the deltoids. We can do some double-handed effleurage through the pecs and onto the anterior aspect of the shoulder. Again, if we're going deeper, we need to remember to go slower. Support the elbow and the wrist, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take the elbow and open up the arm. So we've got a lovely stretch coming through the triceps. And again, rocking and rolling from the back foot onto the front foot. Relax your shoulders and using the senior eminence. Support the elbow and the wrist. Come back down, face your patient's face. And we're going to come down onto the forearm. Rocking and rolling again from the back leg onto the front leg, using the senior eminence and the angle between your thumb and first finger. By changing the angle through the wrist, we'll be able to access different tissues. Swap hands. And again, because we're coming into the couch, into the elbow, we've got lovely support onto there. If we feel we need to go deeper, tighter tissues, just relaxing them. We can support the forearm on the side, and we can use our thumb on thumb technique to work into some of those deeper tissues. And we can work whichever area we feel is appropriate. Effleurage. Come up onto the carpals. Relax your wrists, your shoulders, and again, gentle rocking from the back foot through onto the front foot, friction the carpals. Let's take the hand, turn it over, and we can knead into the femur and the hypofemur. Hand back over again. Give a little traction through some fingers. And we can finish by tractioning, by opening up the metacarpals. We can either do it skin to skin, but if the skin is moist or oily, then we can use the same thing with a towel. With a towel just on top of the hand there. A little bit of give with some movement in there. Thumbs together, fingers tucked underneath onto the palm, and then stretch the tissues.